Hello and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we want to talk about one of our products. We're going to do a series of videos about all of our products, the pros, the cons, how to best apply them, and some of the benefits of using our products. So today we're going to start with the Turbo Wax Ceramic Sprays TC1 right here. And let's say that this is SiO2 infused, and although we call it a ceramic spray, let's not make a mistake and confuse it with the truly ceramic coating, which will be the Booster 2.0. So this is a product that you will use to maintain a ceramic surface, a car with ceramic on the surface or non-ceramic, so it doesn't matter. You can apply to the painted surfaces, to the wheels, to the glass, headlights, taillights, carbon fiber, wraps, and everything in between. This bottle is a 16-ounce bottle. It comes with the trigger. This will give you about 24 to 26 applications, which is the equivalent to about 6 to 8 cars. One of the things with this product is that we do not recommend that you apply to a wet surface, 2 under the hot sun, and 3 directly into the panel. If you apply this on the hot sun or directly into the panel, chances are that you will end up with a haze. You need very little product, so what we recommend that is that you apply directly into the microfiber towel, just a small squirt, and then you will go over the surface, and then you will turn the microfiber, use the dry side, and you will wipe any residue. And I'm going to show you here quickly. So one of the bad things about this product is that if it's real hot outside, you do not want to apply this. Almost all of the ceramic sprays will have the same problem. This one here will last between 6 to 8 weeks. That's what we have seen from an application. So we're gonna flip this thing around, go to the car, and give you a demonstration how we like to apply into the car. So to the car we go. All right, so we all set. So we fold the towel and we're just gonna shade the product, one small splash. We're gonna wipe on the surface, and then we are gonna go ahead and flip the towel to the dry side and wipe any residue that might be existing. And that's how we like to do our application for all of our products that come into the sprayer. We do not like to spray directly into the surface. Although everybody has been doing this forever, we feel that going into the towel and wiping one side with the towel and removing from the back side with the dry is more effective than simply spraying all over the place. So that is very simple to do. And then if we want to go ahead and do the little water test, you can clearly see that the water repels very nicely. So right there. Okay, so that completes this video about the Turbo Wax TC1 ceramic spray. I hope that those tips are helpful, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.